Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. I am here at day 3 of 9th Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. Delighted to have Rohit Valia with us next from Platform Computing. Rohit, welcome.
Thank you, Jerry.
How has this show been for platform computing? I am marooned here. They don't let me out to see the light, Rohit, but everyone tells me there's millions of people around here.
Well, certainly thousands. I mean, they seem to be all over the place, but the show's been really good. I think the event has grown in stature, and certainly cloud computing continues to draw lots of people, and there's a lot of interest in solutions.
And most crucially, that's the point, isn't it? Most crucially, I'm hoping that I can ask you, are the right kind of people coming to the platform computing booth?
Definitely. I mean, we're seeing people ranging from people who are just getting interested in cloud computing and are getting personally educated, but we're also seeing a lot of business buyers who are looking for solutions, and it's certainly enabling us to have the right kind of partnerships to move our solutions forward. So it's been a good mix.
Good. Well, that's what we hope to provide. Let's hope that continues. Were you with us in New York?
No, I was not personally, no. And I don't think platform computing was there either.
It's a shame. Well, we'll see you in the next New York one because there's always time to catch up. Let's back up a bit then. Let's place platform if people, I know that people know the name and maybe they've gone, wait a sec, I can't quite place what it is they do. Let's help them.
Okay, so platform computing has actually been in the business almost 20 years. So we have been a leader in clusters, grids, and clouds now. So I wouldn't say we've been doing clouds because the term didn't exist, but in fact, we've been building clouds for various kinds of distributed computing systems. So our high-performance computing technology has been at the core of many of the world's largest distributed computing infrastructures, whether it be in financial services, oil and gas, electronic design, automation. So wherever there was a distributed computing infrastructure that needed to be managed, platform computing was there. And now with our private cloud and big data offers, we are able to help people to use modern technologies in the space of distributed computing.
Right, it is a kind of logical progression for you.
Absolutely.
You mentioned big data. Let's just drill down on that maybe briefly. Why is that such, I mean, we know the whole data, I'm not going to say that silly exponential word. We know the data growth story. Where's the connection, the synergy between cloud and big data for somebody who hasn't yet made that obvious connection?
Well, I mean, so one part of the connection is obviously that, you know, the scale. So big data implies large scale, and the problem of managing at large scale is fairly similar. So managing systems or resources when they're at a certain level of scale, the complexity of the problem is in many ways similar. The difference is in the emphasis of the types of workloads. So in big data, the emphasis is on trying to keep the data local and not move it around and have applications be able to find that data and process that data. In cloud, it's a different emphasis. There you're kind of looking for optimizing resources with the applications in mind. So you're looking at, you know, what's the best resource to run a certain application? How should I optimize my infrastructure so I can get the best service level agreement to my end users if I'm in IT or to my customers as an enterprise.
So, you know, is it a marriage made in heaven, HPC and cloud, or is it the most difficult thing to do in the cloud?
No, it's definitely a marriage made in heaven because, and that's kind of the legacy of the company is we were a high-performance computing company which uses that technology, and we find that our solution is definitely much more advanced because of the capabilities that we've kind of developed over the years, which is the intelligence, the ability for our solution to be data and application aware in that context, and hence optimize the resources that it's going to execute in. And then the other thing is that over the years we've obviously been heterogeneous in our offerings, so we can support multiple operating systems and technologies, and now with our cloud solutions we can also support multiple hypervisors. So that brings a big benefit to customers who want to kind of have the benefit of choosing different hypervisor technologies and being able to manage all of those, as well as the application-aware context of our solution, which is understanding, you know, where logically the different components of an application need to be deployed.
Now, I know because you have that wealth of solution, I know a lot of this can be found, just go to platform.com and investigate there. What if I came to the booth? What would you most likely show me? Depends who I am, right?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, we have three key solution areas. One is our high-performance computing clusters and grids. The second is our big data and analytics solutions, where we have a solution for the Hadoop applications to scale them and manage high availability for them. And then the third is our private cloud solution, which is to help enterprises build on-premise clouds.
So there's a lot to choose from. There's a lot going on with Platform, which I like, and it's going to continue going on, I suspect, at that same rate?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, innovation never stops.
There you are. Rohit Valia, thank you so much for joining us from Platform Computing, and thank you, if you're not here in Silicon Valley, for following us out there on the World Wide Web.